find you walk into Ace store is it's not your typical hardware store. We offer so much more merchandise and general items, and what's really unique about our proposition is being locally owned and operated. Our store owners have tailored that assortment to what their market needs. So if you're in a market where it's a lot of DIYers who are doing home renovation projects, you'll find more things slanted towards that demographic. If you're in a market where you need more of a general merchandise store because the closest store is far away, you'll find a wider assortment of items that will meet your household, pet, as well as your own DIY project. Often people will come into our stores and say, this is what I found, I need to replace this item in my house, and our store associate will know exactly what bin this item is in, and then tell them how to use it, or if they're like, well, why did it break in the first place? Perhaps you should use this other one made of a different material for a stronger result. We are here to support that maker community. Everybody has a big idea. How do we get them that idea to reality and potentially on our shelves at Ace Hardware?